Brock Thomas with Weather Tite Exteriors here, project manager, here to show you guys what can happen when you have a big tree above your concrete tile roof. You can see here, once you pull the tile up, all that buildup of debris, everything gets blown up under the tile, starts to build up, and it can really start to rot away and deteriorate that ply 40 underlayment like we see here. Causes water to hold, start seeping into that underlayment. So what we're doing here today is we're doing a tile tune-up on the whole roof, but we're going to start by blowing all this off, pull up this section of tile, and get it all blown out, clear debris, and then we'll reset them. So as you can see here, I got the tops blown off, pulled up some field tiles here. You can really see when you have trees like this, the wind gets all that debris from the tree, blows up underneath it, really starts to cause problems, causes premature deterioration on the underlayment, causes it to hold water, makes water dam up. Just need to get that debris cleaned out, get your roof maintained. I'm gonna go ahead and get this all blown off, get all these tiles set. Let's get to it. All right, so now I'm on the ground level. As you guys can see, so much debris we got blown off and picked up. All this debris causes water damming, buildups, a bunch of issues that can cause your roof to fail prematurely. They get in the valleys, clog it up, water can't drain, it dams up, gets soaked in the underlayment, causes leaks. Now I'm gonna get this picked up and then get on the roof and get it all hosed off. Back up on the roof here, getting all the dirt hosed off, make the tiles look all pretty again. And then we'll get to sealing the mortar caps and get this job wrapped up. Thanks.